What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. What's with this lighting, bro? Woo. Yeah. See that mess in the background? I just switched to Airbnb, so let me make it brighter. It's not like it really matters how bright I am in the corner, but anyways, we're gonna go over BTC. We're sitting at 72.5, up 3.8 on the day. Max FOMO, Max Fear. Check this out, guys. 82 on the extreme greed. Greedy. But that's okay. So we're sitting at 72.6, up almost 4% on the day. Market cap is 1,421,000,000,000. How would you read that? 1,000 billions, 1 trillion. So is it 1,421,000,000, 75? Smash the like button if I'm correct. 24-hour volume is 55 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So we're continuing to push up. I do think a rejection will come soon. We'll push a little bit higher for the whales to create max FOMO. Strong bearish divergence for our chart, as well as on the money flow. So right now the wave 5 is overextended, because if we take a trend base, I mean, you could top the wave 3. You could look at this. This is your wave 3 high, or right here is your wave 3 high. That would make a little bit more sense. That's your wave 4 pullback, and right now you're pushing up in a wave 5 in this target zone. I do think we'll pull back relatively soon in our larger wave 4, take us back down towards 60k, towards 55k before continuation. But of course, anything can happen. We're absolutely crushing it in the Discord. Many trades today have already hit profit. Here's one of our members. That trade was like 20 minutes long. Last week we had 13 trades, 2 losses. The week before that we had 10 wins, 1 loss. So we're just crushing it every single day. I think I gave like already 10 trade signals today. Some of them are really quick, really quick scalp trades. So you can gain free access at the end of the video. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. If we pop over to the daily time frame, as you can see on the daily, we're pushing higher. We're creating bearish divergence, money flow, bearish divergence. Even on the Scotch RSI, there's a bearish divergence. So pullback would make sense even if we push a little bit higher first. The biggest reason that I think pullback is coming is the DXY. The DXY is setting up to break out in a wave 3. The most impulsive wave in the Elliott wave method. Man, I need to get a new MacBook. I'm getting tired of this leg. This one I think is 2018, but even when it was newer, it wasn't the best when I would screen record. It's had a good life. It's 2024. So, you know, we'll say a nice word and put it in the backyard and grab another one. Actually, no, I would never do that. I'll give it to somebody who needs it. Give it to a homeless man and he'll start watching PORN. Anyways, that's what I'm looking for. DXY to break out in the wave 3, which will lead to that wave 4 pullback for our friend BTC. And offer some really good short opportunities, which signals will be given in the Discord. If I show you guys the weekly results, this is just a quicker way to do it here. We now have like members, so many members are joining every single day. Let's see how many members we have here. Shit ton. Every day, lots of new members. 2,763. We're at 2,600. What's up? Don't know why my default name was Heavily Kitty. I'll have to help this guy out. 2,700. We're at 2,600 like at the start of the week. And yeah, I'm trading Forex and crypto, but I've just been crushing it in crypto. The members have been very happy. As you can see here, 13 wins, 2 losses. The week before was like 10 wins, 1 loss. So yeah, my strategy works well. It's free with a sign up to BITUNIX or MEXC. BITUNIX has no KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for North America. Come on, laptop, this is brutal. MEXC, you will need a VPN in North America, but there's way more trading pairs, so I trade on both exchanges. You get 10% back on your fees with BITUNIX. My subscribers only. 10% cash back, grab those bonuses. Sign up to either one, make a deposit, $10, $100, doesn't matter, I don't need your money. For my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, many signals every day, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. Forex signals, Forex trade signals, Forex analysis, all kinds of good stuff. So yeah, sign up to BITUNIX or MEXC. It will take you 2 minutes. Make a deposit. You can transfer right over from your own exchange. Send me an email. Bada bing, bada boom. You get free access. That's it. See the members here? This guy made like in 2 trades over $1,000, and in a week he made like 17K with my signals in 7 days. $28,000 in 30 days. That's nuts. Shout out to you. All right. All links down below. Smash the like button. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.